Sir, following your latest post quoting Senator Robin Padilla, what part of your statement did you say the senator failed to understand?
Well, nakatatlong post sa Senator Robin Padilla, no? And para sa akin, yung sinabi niya kasing in English niya na daw, hindi ko pa rin naintindihan. So I really don't know what he meant by that. And secondly, kaya nga nire-reiterate ko my last post this morning, no? To explain na ang dahilan why I responded is because I don't believe that we are monkeys, in which he said na sa pananaw niya ng white supremacists daw, ng mga puti. But again, that's not the issue. No? That's why I highlighted it. Na ang pinag-uusapan natin dito is the video did and publicized by the Chinese government. And secondly, yung sinasabi niyang binabanatan ko siya, I highlighted na,